October 17. Punta po tayo dito sa park. Walking lang. It's a Friday. Sinundo namin si Dad sa office and walking tayo dito sa Botanic Garden. Let's go to Botanic Garden. Kings Park po ito. Ayun, andun po yung lookout. Yeah. Yeah.
It's only May.
Yeah.
I'm not going.
Walking tayo dito. Si Dad magja-jog. Dinalan ko lang siya ng pang-jogging.
Found it.
Yan.
Come to the Mom. What? Mom,
Sit properly.
look, there's a map. Mom, there's a map.
In the park. Dito na po tayo ngayon sa Glass Bridge. Yan. Si Dad nag-jog na. Pa? Labas. Happy, where are you? Oh, excited siyang mag-go sa water. We're gonna go there in a few minutes. The Glass Bridge. Oh no, we're almost on the Glass Bridge. Dito na po tayo ngayon sa Glass Bridge. Stop lang kami dito at mag-picture. Ayan na nga po, na bumaba na po siya dito sa Glass Bridge. Slowly. Tapos na po kami sa Botanic Garden, guys. Dito naman kami sa Costco ngayon. Costco. Bili lang kami ng spoon and fork, yun lang. Para sa bukas. Hi guys, it's September 18. Ano lang kami sa McDo. Take away. And yan, cheeseburger. Happy birthday, Dad! It's Dad's birthday today. This October 18. Badminton lang kami. And kakain with friends. Yun lang.
Jen, kumain na ako.
Kain ka na.
Sweat!
Ika lang, kinuha niya kasi. Sa mga album namin.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you! Thank you! Nasaan? Sa mga album namin.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you!
Dalawa! Kiss muna!
Hindi baliktad. Thank you guys!
What are you doing?
It's walking, Mom. Punching.
Is that your punching bag?
Yeah. Then.
Hi guys, it's October 19. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Lakeside Joondalup. 1 hour away siya sa bahay namin. And andito si Javi, naglalaro. Ayan. Mall lang siya. It's a Sunday, medyo maulan, kaya dito lang kami sa mall. Ito yung outfit na natin. Naka-boots tayo kasi maulan. And Javi is there.
Guys, look.
Hi. What's your name?
Look how you Badaka Javi.
Where do you live?
And then scream! Yeah!
Don't shout, the witch will hear you. What's your mom's name?
What?
What's your dad's name?
Job.
Louder, a little bit louder.
Job.
And how old are you? I can't hear you.
I think we get
Louder, because the witch cannot hear it properly. Louder. How old are you?
3 years old.
And where do you live? In Perth?
In Perth.
Yeah. And when is your birthday?
And then we'll be
January 13. Mm-mm. And how was your day today?
What day is it, Mom?
What day is it today? It's
But I want to do it, Mom. Can I?
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Lukavi Bataka. Happy.
How old are you?
3 years old.
Where do you live?
In Australia.
When is your birthday?
And January 13.
January 13. And what's your favorite food?
Skin.
Pork or chicken?
Skin.
Anything but skin.
Look up, Mom.
What's your favorite food?
Skin.
What's your favorite
And
fruit?
like skin and rice.
And rice. And